Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review for you guys on this PinSoon air fryer. Thank you so much, PinSoon, for sending me this product. But to get started, I am going to go ahead and turn the air fryer for you guys so you can get an idea of how big this is. This is really simple, easy to store, not big at all. With it come the manual. So I'll go over the manuals just so you guys can see the stuff that came with it. So with it came 3 cooking rack. They're really small, but they're really convenient. So if you air frying some chicken, you can definitely lay your chicken on top of this, or if you're baking something, you can definitely place it on top of the cooking rack. Okay, and it came with this rotating mash basket, which you can definitely use to air fry some fries. So you can put the fries in there and open it. Hopefully I can open this really easy. As you can see, put your fries in there and then close it back up and put it in there to fry. Okay, and it also came with some rotisserie attachments, as you can see. Okay, I'm sure, okay, there you go. Come with some rotisserie attachments, which is very convenient. And they have these to attach as well for the rotisserie part. And it came with a basket, air frying basket, which have a handle as well. So the handle is pretty simple, just like a handle for any frying basket, and you can lock it just to secure it when you are using it. Okay, really simple, which I'm going to be using that today when I am air frying. I'm going to make some potato wedges, and it came with a air fry rotating fan. Okay, the rotating fan is right here, and they have a tray to collect the grease, and they have a cooking rack round, and I am just going to place the tray right underneath, and then the fan just so it can spin. And as you've seen, I have the cooking rack, okay, right in here, and this is what I'm going to be using to make that recipe. And let me show you the recipe book. This is what the recipe book look like, and I am going to be making these potato wedges, but they have so much other things here that looks so good and so delicious. You guys definitely will try some of their recipes. And of course, you guys know I always come with a coupon code for you guys, so please check the description box where I will list the website where you can purchase this, and also the coupon code, so you guys can get a nice percentage off your first purchase. All right, so let's get into cooking our potato wedges. To make the delicious wedges, you are going to be needing 2 big russet potatoes, and I am going to be using a teaspoon or half teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, and I have some smoked paprika and some Italian seasoning, and of course some olive oil and some salt and pepper to taste. I do have a cooking spray that I might use to spray the bottom of that air frying pan. Okay, I already went ahead and washed my potatoes, so I'm going to grab one just so I can show you guys how I cut them. I'm going to cut them in half. Okay, and I'm going to cut the half in another 2 pieces, and then flip it over so I can see the shape of the edge. Just cut it straight from the middle. Okay, and you can see my potatoes are a little big, which is okay, and I'm going to do the same for the other. So if you have smaller potatoes, it's okay too, or if you want to make them a little smaller, you definitely can, and just put them right in that bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the same for these, and then come back and show you guys how I season them. One important thing that you need for this recipe is some warm water. So now you want to go ahead and grab some warm water, put the potatoes in the warm water, and we are going to allow this to soak for a good 20 minutes just so some of the starch can come out of your potatoes. Okay, I already went ahead and drained the potatoes, and now you want to grab a paper towel and really dry them really good, because the less water that comes out of them, the crispier they will be. Okay, and once we dry them really well, we are going to go ahead and place them in a dry bowl. Make sure the bowl is not wet. The only thing that's gonna go on there that will make them a little wet is the olive oil. Okay, and I am going to show you guys the buttons once I plug the air fryer in. And I did realize that I didn't show you guys that when I was showing you how it worked. So first I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, nothing too crazy. Add salt to your own tasting. Add a little bit of black pepper, of course with clean hands, and add some garlic powder. And I did end up using just one potato just because I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. We already had supper. And I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of the Italian seasoning. Okay, and add my garlic powder as well, nothing too crazy. And I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning that you have to be very careful with, because remember it has some salt as well and some smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, you can use your regular paprika. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave all the link down in the description box for you guys to go follow me. And sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. Remember, we are air frying this. We're trying to avoid too much oil. Okay, just make sure you coat each piece of the potatoes. And I'm going to taste just to make sure the salt is enough. And I already went ahead and rinsed this a little bit, just because it's really good to clean any products you receive. And I'm going to spray this a little bit just because I don't want the potatoes to stick. And now take your potato wedges and put them in the basket. Don't overcrowd, leave a little space just so it can fry nice and crispy. And now we can proceed to air frying our potato wedges. I went ahead and plugged my air fryer, and as you can see, it has so many buttons. So this button means French fries, and they have a steak button, they have a fish button, and also have a shrimp, chicken, and baking, and also rotisserie and dehydrator. So for me, I am going to use the shrimp, or not the shrimp, the French fry button, because I'm making potatoes. It's like some big fries that I'm making. So I'm going to put in my basket. As I mentioned earlier when I showed you guys, I have the dripping spray, and I have that fan, and I have that rotating one just to rotate. And we are going to close it and push this, and we are going to cook this for 12 minutes, because I am going to flip them and do an additional 10 to 15 minutes again. So push the power button again to start the cooking process. and you can hear the fan. Now it's starting to air fry. Again, once the 12 minutes is done, I am going to flip them and cook them for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. All right guys, the recipe is finally done. As you can see, these are nice and crispy, and they were air fried without dipping them or drenching them in oil. Again, please guys, check the description box where I will leave the link and the website where you can purchase your own. They have a really good deal going on. The coupon will be available from today up until the end of the month, so make sure you take advantage of it. But of course, I'm going to taste. I have some ketchup, and all I did to pretty up my plate was cut up some fresh parsley and sprinkle it. I'm not sure if you can hear the crisp, but it is delicious but moist on the inside. Okay, but this will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And also, thank you so much PinSoon for sending me this product. Make sure you guys take advantage of the coupon code, as I said, and purchase your own. Definitely a healthier way to eat. All right, see you guys in my next video. Let me go enjoy this. I love you guys for watching. Bye bye.